Okay, lady left. Okay, well, let's start this. So, I can... Should I do the couch music or should I do the playlist?
Whatever you want.
What's a good track? A long track. That's not long, but let's see this one. All right, let's start this. Good. All right, second birthday quiz. Let's get into it. So, first question. When did I start streaming?
Ah, shit. Oh, no.
Answer is...
No!
On July 9th. Oh my god, no one knows. The cottage cheese is... Yes. Well, yeah, I did start streaming on July 9th. So... That's the answer. So no one got it. That's sad. Anyway, question number 2, let's see. What is the first avatar I ever made, showcased or not? I'm giving you all a minute to select. Between 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is the first one I ever made? There's 5 people in the Kahoot, so there should be 5 answers. Alright, well... One person got it. Who was it? I don't know. But it was number 4. This is the first one I ever made. Then I made this one. Then this one. And then this one, which was the preview of my Sona. So who got it? Whoever that is.
Just a stare.
Yeah, Nightbot, you don't like it. Alright, well, for that, get loose. Anyway, third question. What is the name of this avatar? Don't tell anything, Blackout.
Okay.
I swear if you don't know that one, Blackout, I'm a kill you. Okay, at least most people here know it's the Avigen.
I know that one.
Yeah, the Avigen. An avatar base I'm making and I'm gonna sell buy for all the aqua. Totally Birdgen, yes. Totally.
Birdogen.
Legit, you didn't know? Yeah. Oh then. Now you know. Number 4. What was my initial username before starting the Mike the Bird brand?
Oh, I know this.
That, you might have seen it before yesterday. And some people know it here. Indeed, 2 people got it. Not too bad. One said, oh, well, always was Mike the Bird. And someone else said Game Death Bird. Alright, yeah. My old name was actually called Mickey Yellow. Which is like, when I first created my Minecraft account, this is where it comes from. But then when I rebranded, I changed to something a bit, what I felt was a bit more mature. In terms of like, I've grown up since that name. As an evolution, and then I went to Mike the Bird. Misclicked, oh no. F. Happens. Okay, blackout on top. Next question, 5. Bonus. When is my birthday?
Hey, there's my birthday, June 1st.
Who knows, maybe that's my birthday too. Okay, at least everyone knows. At least everyone knows.
Yesterday.
Yeah, it was yesterday, April 25th. Yes, at least, you know, there was no points attributed to that question. But yeah, June 1st is actually Blackout's birthday, so... Yeah. Alright, next question. That's gone for points. What is the name of this game? Now we're going to games. What is this game? Underlab, Labocalypse, Double Trouble, or Lab Wars? The next 5 questions are gonna be, what is this? Okay, 2 people got it! Yeah, the correct answer is Labocalypse. It was made for the Brackeys Game Jam 2021.2, and it's playable on my HIO. And I fully made it live on stream. As a fun fact. Someone thought it was Double Trouble, and 2 people thought it was Lab Wars. Alright, this was an easy one because it was shown on stream. Some of them might be more complicated though. Second, what game it is? What is this one? Is it Bird Simulator, BRD, Product Flight, or Flighters? The age-old question. Okay, who thought? Okay. Understandable if you missed it. If you confuse it with Bird. Bird is actually the species of birds inside that game that are called built-in robotic drones. It's an acronym. Microsoft Flight Sim, Bird Simulator. But the game itself is called Product Flight.
What if it's a non-acronym?
Bird. That's it. Bird. Built-in robotic drone. And that's how I name my PC as well, Bird. But instead of built-in robotic drone, it's built-in rendering device. Next game. What is this game now? This one might be a bit more challenging.
Ooh.
1 stroke, 1 line, line or die, or error hierarchical not less or equal. It might be a bit more complicated because this one has not been shown on stream. I don't think at all. But some of the older peeps that I know might know the name of this line. And the name is 1 line. So this is like one of my old games I've made when I was using Construct 2 back in the day. It's kind of like a Tron-like, where you play as a line, and you have to run it across obstacles, keys, buttons, stuff like that, and reach the Black Void. And it's actually quite challenging, especially at higher speeds. But I want to remake that in Unity because it's actually super fun. But yeah, that one is playable on my Game Jolt. And same with Product Flight. Product Flight is also playable on my Game Jolt. Alright, game number 4. First off, who's in lead? Blackout's in lead. And Nightbot follows pretty closely. Then whatever that is, that face. Then Legit, then it's Junior. The next game, you should know.
I know too much.
What is this app? Is it VR webcam, VRM webcam, VR webcam, or yes, yet another streamer web camera? Most of you should know if you watch my streams. It is the VR webcam.
I know too much.
Canon EOS webcam utility, yes. So yeah, some people got it confused with VRM, but it is VRA. VRA is actually a custom system I'm developing right now, which is kind of like, it functions similar to VRChat when it comes to like gestures, IDs, and the feature set and the export process. VRM is a bit more, kind of more proprietary in a way. But VRA is going to be similar to something like VRChat, but as files that you can then upload and stuff like that and use with games. But yeah, and then final question in terms of what is what. So first off, Black Cat's in lead, Nightbot, Junior took over Legend. Alright, next one. It's a bonus one. What the fuck is this?
Oh, wait, what?
It's an abomination. Some random pic I took in VRC a while ago that I completely forgot about. Send that thing to Jesus. Or when you drink too much iced tea and you go on a mushroom trip.
I will send you to Jesus.
Okay, so 2 people got it. It was a bonus one, so there's no points attributed to this one. But yeah, this is just, I found, when I was navigating for pictures of my games and stuff, especially for one of the pictures here, I found this.
I will send you to Jesus.
Yeah, please send it to Jesus, because what the fuck is this? Like, I remember being in a call with someone, and they just said, put this in the quiz. And I did, I delivered.
No.
Okay, next ones should be more common. It's like more regular questions instead of whatever heck it is. Okay. 11. What is the first convention I attended? Friday 2020, Friday 2000, Friday Luma, or Friday Legends? Which of the 4 did I attend first?
I know what first convention you attended, but I'm not gonna spoil.
And it is Friday Jesus Christ, your fight was 2020. Wow, no one got it. Holy crap. You did not select anything, Blackout. Or did you misclick? Okay, I'm a good boy. Even Blackout doesn't know me. Damn it, Blackout.
I wanna go read in the corner.
Yes, Eve, what the fuck? Come on. But anyway, the answer is 2000. It's the second Friday that happened. It is the first one I attended. Then I went to Luma, and then I streamed Legends.
I can't wait for Aqua!
Yeah, I can't wait for Aqua as well, so that's gonna be super fun. No one got it.
I wanna keep looking at the announcements. Okay, never mind. It's still the same old.
Yeah, anyway, next question. Pay attention, please. I submitted instructors during the Community Game Jam 2020. How did it rank in the fun category out of 1,050 entries?
I don't know.
It's a game jam that I submitted. It had 1,050 entries. And in the fun category, it ended up somewhere. Where did it end up?
Oh crap. There you go. What?
You would be surprised. And I would be surprised as well. But it actually ended up number 7. In the fun category. Out of 1,050 entries. Like, you wanna see? Hold up a second.
That's it, I'm jumping out the window. Whee!
I'm very proud of it. I actually did a video on this, but not on this channel. Actually, on my old brand, I did a video on this. But yeah, it's a little fun fact from me. I actually made a game that ended up like top 10 out of 1,050 plus entries. Which is just plain old ridiculous. If I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm still shocked that that's the ranking it ended up at. And 21st, actually some people said number 21. That's actually how I ended up on the overall rank. So overall, I ended up 21st. But in the fun category, I ended up number 7. Good little fun fact here. Next question. What is the only ASMR allowed on my streams? If you watch my streams, you should all know. And it is indeed that. Opening the first iced tea can on the stream. Hi there, Dicey. Well, talking about that, let me take an iced tea. Don't care about that. Well, on that note. But yeah, this is literally the only ASMR that I ever do on my streams. It's open up iced tea cans. So, yeah. And also, I'm not super interested in ASMR. So, yeah. Opening up the first iced tea can on stream. The one thing that's allowed. So, Blackout sit on top, then Nightbot, then Face, then Junior, then Legit. Then, how much time did it take to make my mic persona 3D model? So this. From the start of sketches to the video reveal. How much time did it take? I don't fully remember, but I did an estimate. From the start of sketches to the video reveal.
Yay!
4.5 months. Right on that. Maybe it took a bit more than that, but that's around, I'd say. Maybe. Like, I tried to remember as best as I could for that one. But yeah, maybe it's a little more. Maybe it's like 5.5 months, but close enough. See what kind of remodel? Yeah, creativity is key. Alright, Blackout still on top. Hi, Red Iced Tea. Well, then, take again number. Well, you know. Oh, Jesus, to work on it. Fair enough. Eeg apples. Anyway, next question. Let's move on. Ready for the later. Bonus! How does one get a pickaxe? How does one get a pickaxe?
I remember that stream.
I think everyone remembered that stream.
You're going crazy and I was trying to calm you down.
It's memorable, alright? It's so flippin' memorable. It literally happened last week. And I still remember, and it's still very memorable.
But I was also trying to calm you down, alright?
Like, seriously, all that time just to try to get the wooden pickaxe, all to get nothing in the end. Because the village you get has no crafting tables. So you can't craft it. Yeah, because the local hardware store. Yeah, I tried, but there's no local in the forest. So I said it pragmatic. Anyway, this one did not have any points, so that's why you didn't get anything. But yeah. Final set of questions. Final 5. As of April 24th, 2022, how many Nest residents are in Mike's Bird Nest Discord server? So my Discord. So the users that are validated using Bird, not just joined, but also validated. How many peeps?
Fuck!
Yeah, maybe I put that one a bit short, but yeah, it was 65. At the time of making the quiz, it was 65. Oh no, your mouse died. Do you have a trackpad maybe? I don't know. Just play it out again. But it's 65. There's a total of 65 Nest residents as of April 24th. Like, there's more people inside the server, but some are not validated. Oh, Nightbot took over you, Blackout.
No!
Anyway, next question. What's the longest stream I have ever done before this subathon? 15 hours, 17.5, 48, or 8? I did give a hint earlier. 17.5 hours was the correct answer. Like, it can't be 48 because this subathon is the longest. And yeah, 8 hours. I mean, that could have worked, but good job on people that got it. Who got it? Nightbot and Junior. Alright, final 3 questions. Or technically 2 serious, and then a bonus one. Second last serious question. How many games did I play on stream as part of the Brackies Game Jam 2021.2 stream series finale? 10, 25, 50, or yes? Good question, huh? Oh my god. People said yes. People actually wanted said yes.
I'm the only one that just like 50. Like, it was just a random select, and I somehow got it right.
It was 50, yes, but... You know yes was a joke answer, right? I mean, I should probably have counted it, but... In all seriousness, the actual answer wasn't there. Wasn't the choices.
So the actual answer was yes?
F for you, well... Anyway, final question. Final question. Are you an amazing community?
Hey, that's me!
Are you all amazing? By the way, no is not an option. As you can clearly see.
It's me! When I was on desktop mode...
Okay, who the fuck pressed no?
Whoever pressed no was getting timed out.
Who the heck pressed no? Hey, listen, it's the back to brick quiz. Yeah, of course this was gonna be in there. Okay, legit or phrase? One of you did not answer, the other did know. I wonder, are you... Wait, face, are you... Universal mistake? I think I know now who that is.
You just go to the next one.
And still don't know who Nightbot is. But faces, you never still mistake that 100% certain on my end. You know who Nightbot is? Who knows at this point? Anyway, last bonus question. I have to do it. Smash or pass?
There's no pick.
I have to do it. After seeing Sparrow do it, I have to do it on myself. Smash on you, smash. I mean, and I had a crit for that smash. I mean, legit, I've seen your art, like your Sona. Gentle smash. In terms of, let's go a night together. And that turns. But content, of course. There you know, I actually this approval face. Okay, so. Oh my god, it's a smash all around. It's a smash all around, just like on Sparrow's stream. I mean, Sparrow, there was a couple passes, but Jesus. Well then. Well, hold up. Who did not answer? That's the question. I swear, if Night... No, there's no points that you... No, I don't think I actually points to this. I can see who answered that.
There's no points.
But if Nightbots, no points on that one? Okay, so we never know who... If Nightbot smashed or passed. Yeah, we'll never know. Anyway, that is the end of the quiz. Wait, hold up a sec.
Did you literally put that in there?
What are you doing there? What? Excuse me, what?
I should have fucking known.
Okay. I just like how everything is even here.
There's
One of each. There's literally one of each. There's literally one of each.
all there is just.
What the fuck? What the fuck happened here? What the fuck? This is literally completely even. How in the heck did that happen?
I mean, I'm pretty sure you on purposely did that or put that in there.
I don't know. It's just the community's amazing, right? They all know. They're all in sync with each other.
I mean, if you guys, it's your favorite meme.
I mean, there's also emotional damage. And Jesus. But that's a contender.
Emotional damage.
Emotional damage. Anyway, let's see the podium here. So, third place, we've got Universal Mistake. Second place, we've got Blackout. And of course, first place, we've got Nightbot. Hey, congrats, Nightbot. Rigged. Congrats, it's rigged. It's rigged. It was rigged with Nightbot. Alright, Nightbot, you said he, that's not even you that said that. That's Blackout that said it. Were you Nightbot? You piece of shit. I kinda expected this. Honestly, I expected you to be Nightbot. I'll be honest. But still, good job. You got me.
Hold on. Wait, since when?
Like you were literally sus from the beginning on my end. I just never fully revealed I was sus.
Wait, Mike, hold on real quick. Like, when did I say, ooh, cupcakes?
I don't know. I don't know. That's difficult questions.
Difficult questions that cannot be answered.
Difficult questions. So, no one knew about instructors, the ranking. I guess that's fair. When I started streaming, I'm actually surprised about that one. The first gun that fucking shocked me. How? This one's fair. That one's fair. That one's kind of fair. Longest I've ever done. I guess that could be fair. Well then. So 21% correct overall. You remember July. July is when I became affiliate. I became affiliate on July. And I first streamed in June.
I think I became affiliate 2 years ago.
Let me check actually on YouTube. Like, I have the stream archive. I can go and get that stream up. And check the date on it.
I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick, so I'll BRB.
Sorry, I had to go scream inside a pillow because I No, wait, no. Hold up. No, Austin. No, Austin, you're right. But also wrong. Because now you brought me to confusion that I thought I put June. But I put July. I did put July in the answers. July 9th. I first started streaming there. And then I became affiliate in August. So, like, you're right, it's July, and I put July as well, but still no one got it. If you check the YouTube channel, you stop zooming in, please. July 9th. That's second, by a few off, yeah. By a couple days off, yes. Just a couple days off. Nothing too bad. So I screened for nothing then. What then? What's other? Ah, that's why the answer rate is not amazing. Ah, because why did it register? Actually, why the heck did it register everyone that left? It registered everyone that left. That's why the answer rate is bad. So yeah, no one got that one. One got this one. One got this one. Then one, then two. All of these. And then 3 people for each of these. Yeah, kinda. Who created those extra accounts? Like, those extra players? I don't know. Like, was it you, Aston? Are you to blame? Are you to blame here? You only ever yourself in Nightbot. Okay, so someone else, some other people. Guess who was the lady face? You? No, not me. Dang it, peeps. Why you messed up my, the charts? Why did you have to go on and mess up the charts? The next sub-goal I'm gonna do after this is gonna be the drawing on paper. But remember, there's that one, and then there's 2 other things over there. As you can see over here, right where my beak is, there's the chat iced tea. At 80 subs, I drink like a mix of flavors. Like all the flavors you saw this morning, I drink all of them in a single, like, mixed up thing. Then, over there, at 90 subs, I'm gonna try that VR hoverbike race game. But if I touch a wall, I have to restart. That's gonna suck. And finally, all the way over there, at 100, I show my face. My human disguise. My fake face. So can we get to 100 before the end? That is the ultimate question. Can we? I know we can. But is it going to happen? That is the ultimate question. So yeah, I don't have right now my pen and paper.
Back.
Welcome back. So I don't have my pen and paper right now. So I'm gonna have to go grab one. And also I'm probably gonna go and take a bathroom break too.
I'm gonna go put my plates away while I'm at the BRB.
Alright then. So I'm gonna have to do that and also go take a bathroom break. So yeah, let me actually go and fix my break screen to remove the lunch thingies. There we go. And yeah, I will where is the screen? I would quickly go in BRB, go get pen, paper, maybe pencil, who knows. Go to the bathroom, and who knows, maybe there's gonna be some kind of sub bomb before I come back. We'll see. But yeah, if back out, I'm gonna definitely on Discord as well, because I'm gonna play my music. I just so he knows. There you go. And yeah, I will quickly BRB go get some stuff. So BRB.